Hi there, I'm Denise from Report Pundit, and I'm here to guide you on using calculated fields to generate your reports. So let's dive right in. When working in the Report Designer, first you'll want to click on the Add Column button. Next, proceed to Add Custom Column, and then finally, Calculated Column. Now let's go ahead and give our calculated column a meaningful name. For example, let's call it Sales. Next, we'll define the command for this column. In this case, it would be the ordered quantity multiplied by the product price. After that, go ahead and select a desired output type from the drop-down menu. In our case, we'll choose the number type. Now, to save this column, click on the Save button. And there you go. You can now see your custom column named Sales along with its corresponding data. Finally, depending on your needs and preferences, you can either export the report or click Save to save it. Thanks for watching this Report Pundit tutorial video, and have a great day.